Hi, I'm Ramgopal from presentationprocess.com. Let's learn how to automatically hide the taskbar in desktop mode. This is especially useful when you want to do software demonstrations or do screen recording of a program. Here is my desktop. There is no taskbar visible. When I move my cursor down, you can see that I instantly get access to my taskbar so I can access any program I want. So when you do a screencast recording to demonstrate how a software program works, you don't want this taskbar to distract the viewer's attention. So how do we achieve this? It's very simple. All you need to do is to right click on the taskbar and go to the taskbar settings. And here you have the option to automatically hide the taskbar in desktop mode. By default, this is turned off. You need to go to the taskbar settings and turn it on. And that is all you need to do. You close this. Now you won't have any distraction from the taskbar while you're demonstrating the program. If you want to access your taskbar, you just have to move your cursor down and that gives you the access for taskbar. I take the cursor back up and that will hide the taskbar. Isn't that useful? In the meantime, do you want to learn some simple and creative PowerPoint ideas you can use in your next presentation? Then click on the link here to join our 5-day free email course called 25 Creative PowerPoint Ideas. These are simple, quick and useful PowerPoint ideas I have not shared elsewhere. So go ahead, click on the link, join the course and I will see you inside.